Hey everyone, I am Arusakshita and you are watching Connect Ayush English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating tech videos like this. So let's get started. Today we are continuing our computer vision project series and this is our project of the photo semantics detection. Now let me tell you what is photo semantics detection. So let me tell you firstly. In 1950s, we have a technology called object classification. Now, what is that technology? Suppose you are seeing this frame in this video, and when you will run that object classification on this frame that I am currently seeing you are currently seeing me. So when you will run this frame in the object detection, then it will detect only that here is a human with a face. So after that we have a problem in this, and that problem is it does not tell us what is the location, where is that human placed, and does not tell anything what is he doing and whatever. But after that, for solving this thing, we have something called object detection, and this technology says that I will tell you the bounding boxes of that face also. So this will create a bounding box around my face and tell me this is a face. And after that, here is a problem. We don't know what this person is doing and whatever. But for that, we have a technology called photo semantics detection. Now what is that technology? That technology says that suppose I have this kind of figure, and when this frame will be run, then then in the photo semantics, then it will be appear as a man with a hand showing in the frame, like that the answer it will be. So we are gonna create that thing. So let's go to a computer screen and without delay let's start the project. So here is my folder. I have created a code folder in my photo semantics folder, and this is my VS Code. Here I will create app.py because I am gonna create this project in Streamlit. So here you will write import Streamlit as st, just like this. Now what is Streamlit? Streamlit is a library that allows you to create a web page without writing any HTML, CSS or JavaScript code. So here I will simply write streamlit.write hello world. And if you want, I will also create a course if you will want that on this Streamlit. So for running the Streamlit, you must have Python version less than equal to 3.8.10. If that is greater than this thing, then this will be not work, and I suggest you that use Python version as 3.8.5. This is the very stable version for transformers library and Streamlit library. And if you will save this, now I will tell you about the Anaconda. Anaconda is an IDE that allows you to run a code of Python very easily, and it also suggests you some functionalities like virtual environments, and that we are going to use this in this video. So for that, firstly we will write conda create hyphen and then your env name. Now env is a thing that allows you to create some packages without installing that version. So I have already created one And when you will run this command, conda activate, and your env name, then it will activate. And I have created a thing, environment like dsc. And when we will run this, we instead of base here see, we have base before, but now we have dsc. So we can cls this. Now we can go to our directory cd e:/u2, then press tab. It will automatically complete this thing. Then you have to write photo semantics. Now this is my folder. You can write the things that you want. Where your folder is, you have to write where. And then you can run pip install streamlit transformers. I am not running this because I have already installed them in this package, in this environment, not package. Here I will, for running a streamlit file, we write streamlit1, then your file name app.py, then press enter and it will automatically run your file. So let's wait for its running, but it is giving us, okay, that is in code folder. CLS up, enter. So it is giving us hello world with help of Streamlit, and this is very big thing for you because it is very easily you can create this is the flexibility of Streamlit, because it gives you the way for creating a website without writing HTML, CSS and JavaScript. But if you want to create in genuine, then I prefer don't use Streamlit, write HTML, JavaScript and CSS code, because this provides you some built-in style and you can't build your own style in this project. So here I will write st dot. Here we have a thing called title, not thing, this is a function. Here I will write photo semantics detector. Let's write it as analyzer, that will be a good name. Then click on rerun. It is like this. After this thing, we have like this file uploader. Now what is this file uploader? File uploaders allows you to upload a file. Here I will say put your file. Now this is a label for this, and I forgot to do one thing. Here we have to do set page config. Here we have page title and set it as photo semantics analyzer. After that you can also set its layout to white. And then save this file uploader in a variable called file. When you will rerun this, you will see like this. And when we will put some file in it, now I have already put in some file in my folder, so that's why it is like this. Suppose I shall choose this, then it is uploaded. After this we write if file is not none, it means file is not uploaded. Then if file is uploaded, when some file is uploaded in this, then only run this code. And we will say in this code that we have to display this image in the sidebar. So we'll write st.sidebar. Now we run this thing. It is here, but what if I cross this? Then the sidebar is gone, and if I put some image in it, then it is appeared. So after this part, we suppose create an answer variable. Here right now I am just giving for the GUI making. Suppose answer is answer st.write answer, and let's rerun this answer. So when I will cross this, then it is like this, and when someone do this, upload a file, then this is appearing answer, because answer is answer, and we will classify this as photo semantics from our file, and we have utils.py. So in this I will create import what we have to import here. We have to import transformers library, and in transformers we don't need to do that all. We can simply go to the Hugging Face, and then now see the video very carefully, because this is the important part. Go to huggingface.co, then click on models, then go to the image to text, then this thing Salesforce blip image caption large, then go downside. I think this is that. If you are using CPU, then you can use it. If you are using GPU, then you can use it. I will go with this code. So for this thing, you have to copy this much code and paste that here. Here write def get semantics. Here write image. Semantics like this, and we will pass. Not pass, we have to just give this thing as tab, and we can off wrap text because I don't like that. So after doing this much part, we have to go here again, then write here raw image is equal to image dot open. Then here you can write image. Then convert this to RGB as it is required. It is represented in documentation. Convert this in RGB. Then after this, you have text conditional captioning. So here I will simply give the text as blank, so because I am leaving that. So firstly we will create the inputs as it is written in documentation. Firstly we will create the inputs. So for that I will write here inputs is equal to, then preprocessor. Now preprocessor is defined here, blip.processor from preteen Salesforce blip image captioning large. Processor dot not processor dot it is processor is a function. Here you have to pass the images, raw images, then text images, and text is blank because that will be added automatically. But after this we have return tensor parameter. Return tensor is equal to pt, like this. Raw image, it is not images. So now we have this all. After that we will do this thing. So we can copy this and paste that here. We don't need this indentation. So here we will do this thing. And this will be gone in the out. Why it is like this? Now if we do this thing, then we also have to pass here a space. So now we want its first letter to be capital. So for that, it as you know, string is collection of characters with tuples. Now tuple does not allow you string assignment. So if that allows, then we can simply do like this. We want its first letter to be capital, so that's why I am doing like this. And this is this, we can simply do this thing and then return out. But this will not work because tuple is a list, because tuple is a does not allow string assignments. So it's like this. We will firstly convert this into list. Then after this thing we can simply go downside of this. Then out is equal to we can write, where is that thing, let me search that, this. So now we will convert this thing into back to string. So for that we will join it with the blank string. So when we will do this thing, it will automatically be done. And our get semantics function is done. Now we can go here and instead of writing it like this, we can write here get semantics that is file from utils import star. Utils dot let's import it like this and then let's try utils, then utils dot get underscore semantics. Okay, after writing this much code, if we rerun this thing, then I hope we will not get any error. If we will get, then we will solve that, of course. it is running. It is taking a bit of time. Let me check its progress. It must be done right now, but it is not running. Firstly, let me light here. Getting semantics. Now let me run this. But it is not showing us get semantics. Let me see it again. Here it will say the title. This is the setting the page config. Here is utils getting semantics. Is there any problem in this code? Get semantics. Let me put this function inside here, then let me see. Now firstly I will refresh it. Then it is like this. I will select any image, then it is generating. Here getting semantics is not printing. It means it is a problem. Let me verify the code. Here we open the image, and that's right also. Let's try it let me try it with the pipeline. So from TensorFlow import pipeline. Here I will write pipe is equal to pipeline. Then we can see real world examples. Transformers.pipeline like this, and we can delete this all code and delete this also. Here we will firstly write the task. So our task is image to text, and we can also get that from here also. That is very easy. Go here using transformers, copy this code, then go here and paste that here. Remove this, tab, then backspace, then return none. Save this. Now let's see here. By the way, it is not working here. Because it does not print it getting semantics. Okay, it printed. Written tensor is not defined. Now I get it. We can go with the same code that we have written before. Here in written tensor we have some mistakes, and this is that we have a s in it, and I have not put in that s. So now I can refresh and start again. And by the way, we don't need this utils file right now because we have done all the things that we need in app file, and that's also good thing. So it is loading. So we can upload a file. So suppose I upload this file. Utils is not defined because we have to do this like this. Now if we rerun this, then we will see the output. I hope we will see that. So it is loading. Name utils. Let me refresh this again. And we can try with this image. And it is running. So let me see. It will write the answer when the answer will be calculated. Okay, it has printed that, and it is about to run this. And if it will see the output, then our project will be completed. If it will not see, then our project have an error. This thing is telling us our project is working fine, but let me test. Yeah, it is giving us the output. Arafat man on a pull up bar in a park. And if we try with another image like this, then let me see. So it is of 212.8 kbs, but it is getting the semantics and it is about to run. And if we will get this, then our project is working fine. And if there is some problem, then that's perfect. Okay, it is working. So there are two people sitting at a table with a cake, and this is our photo semantics analyzer. And if you want, I will also publish this, and you will get a link, and I will host you. By the way, I am not showing you the process of hosting this, but if you want, I will show you that also. So that's it, guys. This is in the video. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching video. And there is a notice. You can go to the description and access the link for using this also. I will host this.